Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a private note on Etsy in 2026. Do you want to add a private internal note to an Etsy order? Here's how to do it step by step. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open your web browser or download the Etsy application on your mobile device from the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. So you're just going to go and type in Etsy, then you're going to click on the website. Now, after that, you're gonna go to the shop manager. You're gonna make sure you log in to your Etsy account. And after that, you're gonna click on the shop manager. As you can see here, it's the shop icon. It says shop manager. So you're gonna click on it and make sure to set up your shop manager account. You can fill in the information, the shop preferences. You can name your shop. You can enter your payment informations and you share your billing infos and your shop security. Now, once you do all that, you're gonna open the order settings and shipping. Then you're gonna see your activity orders. After that, you're gonna select the order. You're gonna click on a specific order you want to add a note to. Then you're gonna click on add a private note by looking for the private note section inside the order details. Then you can type your internal note. This is only visible to you and your shop staff. So after that, you're gonna make sure to save the note before exiting. And always use private notes to track custom requests, production updates, or important reminders. And that's it. That's how you add a private note to an Etsy order. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.